I think the Chancellor was in a really difficult place. We all know that there's not a lot of money kept behind. We're in a recession still. Things are not looking like they're going to improve very quickly. So he's in a really difficult place. What he's done is he's tried his hardest to make a difference with the bit of money he does have spare. So for example, the corporate tax rate coming down and simplifying that, that's good for business. That's what business have been asking for some time. He's made it clear that he wants to encourage innovation, which is great. The Northwest is a real hub and a powerhouse for innovation, with the R&D tax credit system above the line for larger companies or just cash back for smaller companies, and the patent box as well regime, which was already announced last year. But again, that's something which clearly encourages investment into the Northwest business, which is the Northwest economy, where we are all proud of those things. But let's not lose sight of the fact that we are in a very difficult economic climate. So I don't think anybody will be going around cheering about this, but he's tried to make the best out of it. There was talk about the SEIS, Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme. He's extending a capital gains holiday for that, which is certainly going to encourage small businesses to go out and raise money, which again will encourage a local enterprise to grow. There's talk about an employee share scheme, a new structure which has been announced already for a while, but again he's going to bring that in and he's going to encourage people to own shares in their companies. The NIC, £2,000 off there for all businesses that he announced. That's got to be good news for enterprise as well, especially if you're starting, which is where the Chancellor went on to say that for small businesses and those people who are starting off a new business, knowing that they have a £2,000 sort of allowance for NIC before they have to pay it, should mean that that will encourage them to create jobs, and it won't be a tax on jobs. The personal allowance is up to £10,000 tax-free, coming in earlier. Again, that's good for people wanting to get on with it. And finally, we've got lots of local businesses that are on the AIM, not on the full FTSE stock exchange, but on AIM market, and he's announced that he's going to abolish stamp duty in respect of transactions for those companies. Again, the opposite of Europe is what he made a big play of, where they're bringing in transaction taxes. The Chancellor announced that he's removing it in certain situations. So overall, there are some small measures, but there wasn't anything huge, big blockbuster items there.